Welcome to the Breeze Bay, a beautiful beach collection home here at Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Step inside and the whole home opens up, bright and full of coastal light. The great room flows right into the kitchen, made for easy, breezy gatherings. And what a kitchen! A huge island, crisp white cabinets, and room for everyone. Gather in the dining room for slow dinners under that gorgeous chandelier. Out back, your very own screened lanai with a sparkling pool and spa. The primary suite is a true retreat with a peaceful palm leaf accent wall. The spa-style primary bath has a dual vanity and a roomy walk-in shower. 2 more bedrooms give your guests a bright, breezy place to relax. And there is even a dedicated laundry room to keep paradise tidy. This is the Margaritaville life. I'm Karen Lawell with Counts Real Estate Group. Let's find your place in paradise. Hi, everyone. I'm Karen Lawell. If you're dreaming of a new life in Latitude Margaritaville, give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe for a new home tour every week, and reach out anytime you're ready to make the move.